We'll guide you through how to use Dropbox AI to enhance your productivity and streamline your workflow. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Dropbox on your desktop and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, you'll notice a new AI icon on the right side of your dashboard. Click on it to access the AI features. Dropbox AI can help you manage your files more efficiently by suggesting actions based on your recent activity. For example, if you've uploaded a photo, it might suggest creating a slideshow or organizing it into an album. You can also use AI to search for files using natural language. Just type what you're looking for in the search bar, like "Find the report from last week," and Dropbox AI will bring up the most relevant files. Another cool feature is AI-driven file recommendations. Based on your usage patterns, Dropbox AI will suggest files you might need, saving you time. To enable or adjust your AI settings, go to the Settings menu, then select AI Preferences. Here, you can customize which AI features are active and tailor them to your workflow. Remember, the AI is constantly learning from your interactions, so the more you use it, the better it gets at predicting your needs. If you're collaborating with a team, Dropbox AI can also help by summarizing shared documents, making it easier to catch up on updates. Just click on a document, and the AI will provide a brief summary of the content. This feature is particularly useful for large files where you need a quick overview. To ensure you're getting the most out of Dropbox AI, keep your app updated to access the latest features and improvements. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.